Good Monday, makers. Welcome back to another episode of Maker Pipe Monday. I'm so glad to have you because we've got an amazing group of builds this week that have been posted to the community. Everything from a sukkah to a Mini Cooper Ghostbuster roof rack. It's fantastic. Let's get right into them. The first one we've got is a greenhouse by Ben. He's making this shed style greenhouse, which is coming out fantastic. I love it. Really cool things here. He's doing the roof shed style, which means he's got just one roof pitch that goes from the back wall to the front wall. And he achieved that by using the T-connectors. So you can see he's got a horizontal pipe on the back wall, horizontal pipe on the front wall, and then the T-connectors make up the ribs that go across the roof, and they just attach to those pipes. So you can get any angle you want, and it looks like it's going to work out fantastic. The next thing he's doing that's really interesting is the doorway. He's got a wood frame doorway that he made and then attached it at multiple points with the one-hole straps. So it's attached to the conduit frame, and then it allows him to do whatever he's going to do with the doorway. Looks fantastic. Can't wait to see the rest of it, Ben. Thanks so much for sharing. Keep us posted. Next one we've got is by Rustin. He made this fantastic disc golf cart for carrying everything he needs while he's playing disc golf. And it's really an awesome custom solution here. He's got so many neat things going on. Check this out. He's got these huge pneumatic wheels for taking it on the course. And then he's got this lower section where he can put things. He's got, looks like a cut up wire shelf that makes the bottom shelf. And then these guards around the end. And then he's got his bag in here in the middle section. And then check this out. He's got a flip up hinged top, which I think could be a seat or something to get at all of his discs. And then on the back, you can see he's got two water bottles. He fashioned this handle right to the conduit with one-hole straps or two-hole straps. Boy, that looks awesome, Rustin. Thanks so much for sharing. You did a great job on that one. Next build is by Dustin. Dustin made an enclosure for his rabbits, his New Zealands. And he made a simple maker pipe structure out of conduit and our connectors, and then put the cages on there. And he's got 3 cages, water bottles, feeding tray. Really simple and effective. Thanks so much for sharing, Dustin. It really came out great. Next one we've got is by Kristen. And I've been talking to Kristen for a little bit on her build. And this is the 3rd iteration of her rowing shell transport. She lives a half a mile away from the beach, and she needed a safe way to get her rowing shell from her house to where she launches it. And this is her solution. She's got this strap that goes around it and supports it with a bungee. So she's got suspension on it. And then check out these bends she did that just give it some space to move around and some pipe insulation to protect it. And then what I think is really neat is she used a different type of caster, a pneumatic wheel caster that we helped her adapt to conduit. Normally we sell a 3-inch hard rubber caster, but you can really use any sort of caster. We sell adapters or could help you make an adapter to have that threaded stem caster fit into conduit. And that's what we did here. We helped her fit that. And then she's got some handles up here. So really fantastic. Kristen, thanks so much, and I'm glad Maker Pie helped you with your build. It was a pleasure helping you. Next one we have is by Asaph. He made a sukkah, which is an outdoor room that is used in his Jewish holiday. And it's really simple. It's got 4 walls and then a thatched wood roof, some decorations in the middle, and it looked like it came out great. He's got 90-degree connectors on the corners here. He made an entryway with some T-connectors, and he was really happy with how it came out, and we love seeing it. Thanks so much, Asa. Next build we've got is by Norman, and Norman is making this Mini Cooper with a Ghostbuster theme, and he's making this roof rack. He's actually done a lot of welds on here, and he said he was using Maker Pipe in certain locations, but check that out. It's got an extended back roof rack with a ladder in a Ghostbuster theme, and there it is. It looks fantastic. Really cool ride. Thanks so much for sharing, Norman. We liked seeing it. And that's all the builds we've got this week. Wow, it was a great group. I want to hear in the comments which was your favorite. And as always, you can check the links in the description below for the details on the builds right on our community. And if you like seeing these builds and want to see some more, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. See you next time.